Have you ever wondered who the world's supreme hacker is? The one behind some of the most monumental cyber attacks in history? Today, we reveal the untold secrets of the world's #1 hacker. This enigmatic individual, known only by the codename Cypher, has infiltrated countless government systems, financial institutions, and even international organizations. Their expertise in hacking is unparalleled, earning them the title of the world's supreme hacker. Cypher's identity remains a mystery, with their true face concealed behind layers of encryption and digital anonymity. Many have sought to unmask Cypher, but their every move has been met with impenetrable virtual walls. But what motives drive this supreme hacker? Is it pure chaos, or something more? True to their name, Cypher leaves behind encrypted messages that only the most skilled cryptographers can decipher. These messages contain cryptic clues, leading to secret caches of valuable information. The world's governments, corporations, and intelligence agencies are in constant pursuit of Cypher, hoping to harness their unrivaled skill for their own purposes. But until now, their efforts have been in vain. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, Cypher's power continues to grow. They are a symbol of the immense potential and danger that exists in the world of cybersecurity. Cypher's story is the embodiment of both fascination and fear. They are a reminder that behind every line of code exists a world of secrets waiting to be uncovered. The untold secrets of the world's supreme hacker may never be fully revealed. But one thing is certain, their legacy will continue to inspire and confound us for years to come. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of Cypher's enigmatic world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content about the fascinating realm of hackers and cybersecurity.